Alright, let's get started on that coding challenge. Task. Write a function that accepts this list of strings and a string tuple. Convert each string to a standard name capitalization, first letter capitalized, and unpack the tuple into the end of the list. Okay, seems pretty good. Warning, if at any point your code is unpythonic, your computer will explode? Okay, this all sounded good except this last part. Alright, let's name this function convert. And so it takes in a list of strings and a string tuple. So the first thing where I think this could potentially be unpythonic is unpacking the tuple. So let's do that first. So instead of doing something like item 1 is equal to string tuple 0, that's unpythonic, we're just gonna unpack them on the same line, like so. And the rest of it is pretty easy. Let's create an array called result, and then iterate through the rest of the items in the...
What?